So in this video, we are going to do a small project on the basics of HTML that we have learned in our previous videos. If you have not watched previous videos, then go to I button and click on them to watch entire playlist of web development. So on your screens, you can see a website that is designed by basic HTML tags. You just have to recreate it. So pause the video and do give it a try, and then we will look into the solution of this project. Starting with heading of our document, you can see and guess that which heading it is. This one. So it's H1 heading, that is the biggest heading in our HTML. So let's move to our Sublime and start writing our code. In this document, we can see that our title is English. So giving the title of our document as English, and then in the body we can see that the first thing is heading. So giving heading first, that is manuscripts, and closing. And I have copied a paragraph from the net, and you can do the same and paste any paragraph. So let's paste it, and then closing paragraph tag. So this is how we are done with our first paragraph. And after our first paragraph, we can see that at the end there is a line which is due to the HR tag. So going to a Sublime and using HR tag after the paragraph, and then there is another heading that is somewhat small from the previous heading. So it is H2 heading. So going to Sublime and giving a H2 heading, and that is English language, closing H2 tag, and then pasting the same paragraph that we have pasted. And then there is also a line after this paragraph too, and that is also because of HR tag, and saving our document. So let's open our first project, and here we have successfully created our first project. Thank you for joining us. Please like, share and subscribe so that more of your friends get to know this skill, practice it and be a good web developer in the upcoming future. Thank you to all of you. Stay tuned.